The threat landscape today is more complex and harmful than ever. According to the 2009 Computer Security Institute survey, 25% of those surveyed stated that the majority of their financial losses in the past year were due to insider activity. Therefore, for IT security professionals like you, it is even more important to configure, monitor, and proactively respond to threats to protect your network. Welcome. My name is Tom Hua, and I am a security engineer. My goal for the next 5 minutes is to illustrate how Cisco Security Manager, or CSM version 4.0, simplifies deployment, management, and monitoring using our latest ASA, that is the Cisco Adaptive Security Appliance version 8.3, and IPS, which is our Intrusion Prevention System version 7.0 products. This integrated solution improves the security operation and provides the visibility needed for effective security monitoring. There are 4 interesting components within this threat defense solution you should be aware of. First, the high-performance native event viewer in CSM 4.0. Second, CSM's advanced share policy. Third, new features in ASA 8.3 that improves operational efficiency and advanced threat prevention, which include global access rule, simplified NAT policies, and enhanced botnet traffic filter. And fourth, new features in Cisco IPS 7.0 that significantly improve efficacy, including global threat correlation. Let's see how it works. In this example, we have several Cisco ASA and IPS devices being managed by CSM. The IPS appliances have global correlation and reputation filtering enabled. These features help to improve the efficacy of IPS by using the reputation database provided by Cisco Security Intelligence Operation in conjunction with the traditional IPS signatures. On ASA appliances, we have the botnet traffic filter feature enabled, which dynamically identifies malicious traffic leaving your network, such as call home communication from infected endpoints to its command and control servers. Next, let's take a look at the CSM event viewer to identify IPS events triggered by some attacks. As you can see, the alerts have reputation scores associated with them. Reputation score is one of the functions in global correlation feature. This helps to identify the malicious traffic at the global scale using global rating system. In this example, we apply a filter to view all IPS high priority alerts in the last 1 day using the previously saved event view. We noticed there were some critical alerts in red reported by IPS devices that have low reputation scores. These alerts indicate that there were some attacks to SQL database server using SQL injection attack. Next, we look up the IPS signature that monitors these attacks, then add an action to block the malicious traffic automatically. We can then share and deploy the signature policy to all IPS devices, so all IPS devices are now enforcing the new policy. The IPS device will be able to dynamically monitor and block this type of attack, thus lowering the operational cost to the IT department. In CSM Event Viewer, we also noticed that ASA firewall devices reported some malicious activity from endpoints within our internal network. These are endpoints that might be infected and try to call home to their command and control servers. While traffic from these infected hosts are automatically blocked by ASA botnet traffic filter policy, we want to make sure our ASA firewall devices globally would also block traffic to these no botnet servers' IP addresses in any direction. We now can go to the CSM policy table to add a new global rule and deploy them to all ASA devices using CSM share policy. Global rules are rules that are applied to all firewall interfaces. Once the policy is pushed to the devices, all future traffic to and from these malicious sites would be blocked. Next, we use CSM Event Viewer filters and generate reports for infected hosts and send them to IT desktop team for remediation. With powerful event viewer and share policy functionality in Cisco Security Manager, security administrators like you can quickly identify attacks with Cisco ASA firewall and IPS products, then globally push policy to all firewall and IPS devices to protect your networks using our advanced botnet traffic filter and global correlation features. In Cisco Threat Defense solution, must-have components like Cisco ASA and IPS appliances can globally enable collaboration, not just for your managed devices, but also with other organizations. This helps to effectively and proactively secure and protect your network against modern attacks. Thanks for watching.